Hi students, today we are going to work out the sum. So sum number 4, page number 4.39. So in this sum, there are given 4 different cases finding sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. So old partners A, B, C, then profit sharing ratio 5:4:1. After that, the 4 adjustment they are given. First one, C acquires 1/10 of share from A. So acquires and surrender, that is two different words. So acquires means straight away you have to subtract from their ratio. So who acquires? C acquires from A. So A old ratio 5/10, B 4/10, C 1/10. So C acquires, that time C you added 1/5, then from A, so A you are going to subtract 1/5. So 5/10 minus 1/5, you are going to find out the answer. So denominator, first you have to take LCM or HCF. So 10 denominator, then 5 into 2. So numerator and denominator, if you are multiplying by 2, the value will not change. So 2/10. So final answer 3/10. B no changes. So 4/10. C 1/10 plus 1/5. So 1/10 plus 2 3/10. Then now you are going to find out sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio formula you know very well. Sacrificing equals old ratio minus new ratio. That short form. Memory tip, I said SON, SON. So sacrificing equals old ratio minus new ratio. So A old ratio 5/10, B old ratio 4/10, C old ratio 1/10. Then new ratio 3/10, 4/10, then 3/10. Now you find the answer. So here 2/10, here minus 2/10. That means A sacrifice, then sacrificing, C gaining. So while calculating sacrificing ratio, if answer comes in negative, that is called gaining ratio. Or else simple logic, one person expenses, another one person income. Then come to the case 2. Case 2, C acquires 1/10 share equally from A and B. So 1/5 you have to divide it into two parts equal, that means A and B. So 1/2 divided by 2 equals 1/10. So fraction and division. So okay, new profit sharing ratio 5/10, A, B 4/10, C 1/10. So equally acquires, that time A and B equally sacrificing. How much? 1/10, 1/10, subtract from their old ratio. Then C acquire, that time you added back to C's profit sharing ratio 1/10 and 1/10. Then final answer 4/10, 3/10, then 3/10. This is new profit sharing ratio. Now you are going to find out sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio you know very well. New ratio 4/10, 3/10, 3/10. Now the answer, sacrificing, A sacrifice 1/10, B sacrifice 1/10, C gaining 2/10. So A and B sacrifice, C gaining ratio. Then third one, A, B and C will share equally. In future profit sharing ratio, A, B and C will share profits and losses equally. But old ratio 5/10, 4/10, 1/10. Equal means 1:1:1. In fraction 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Total 3 share. A will get 1, B will get 1, C will get 1. So okay. Now come to the calculation of sacrificing ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 you are subtracting from A, B and C. Now first you have to take LCM. So 30, or else cross denominator multiplication, 10 into 3 30, then cross multiplication, 3 into 5 15, 10 into 1 10, so 5 by 30. So here same, so 3 into 4 12, 10 into 1 10, so 2 by 10. Here 3 into 1 3, 10 into 1 10, minus 10, here minus 7 by 30. So under case 3, sacrificing A and B 5 by 30 and 2 by 30, C gaining ratio 7 by 30. Then case 4, C acquires 1/10 share of A, not from A, here they are mentioned of A, and 1/2 share of B. That means first you are going to calculate 1/10 share of A how much, then 1/2 share of B how much, first you are going to calculate, then you are going to subtract from A and B, then you add it back. See, first A ratio, old ratio 5 by 10, and 1/10 of 5 by 10 how much, 5 by 100, or else 1 by 20. B share 4 by 20 into of how much, 4 by 20. Clear? Then finding that new profit sharing ratio. So first write old profit sharing ratio. C acquires, so A sacrifice 1 by 20 plus B sacrifice 4 by 20, you added back to C's profit sharing ratio, then subtracted A sacrifice 1 by 20 from their A share, B sacrificing 4 by 20 from B share. So now you find out, so 20, so then 10 minus 1, then 20, 8 minus 4, then 20, so 2 plus 1 plus 4, 9 by 20, 4 by 20, then 7 by 20. This is called new profit sharing ratio. 9:4:7. Now you are going to find out sacrificing ratio. Then sacrificing ratio equals old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio you know very well. New ratio already you found 9 by 20, 4 by 20, 7 by 20. Now you have to find the answer. Denominator, take LCM 20, then 10 minus 9 20, 8 minus 4, then 20, 2 minus 7, then 1 by 20, sacrifice from A, B sacrifice 4 by 20, C gaining 5 by 20. Have a nice day and do remaining exercise. Tomorrow we will see another topic.